Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I'm here with my latest unboxing. If you guys remember from 2 videos ago, I did my most comfortable designer shoes, and 2 out of 2 pairs I have of Manolo Blahniks were featured in that video because they really are true to the reputation of being very easy to wear, a sensible shoe for anyone, regardless of if you have any issues with your feet or not. And now I have messed up one of my toes, so I have to wear more sensible and comfortable and just things that are not so crazy like a 120mm Louboutin. So I'm trying to take care of my feet so I can continue to wear heels on and on throughout and in the future, but for now I do have to actually take care of my foot and wear things that are definitely a lot easier on my feet. But one of my subscribers was very kind to me and was sympathetic towards me when he learned that I had a messed up foot, and so graciously sent me a new pair of Manolos that are just absolutely statement making, and I thought I was gonna be kind of forced to wear the same shoes over and over again, but I'm so happy and thankful that I don't have to, and I have something new that I can show you guys that I can actually wear, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I am really happy that I've been sent a pair of shoes that are not only something that I can wear without having to worry too much about how my feet respond to it, but there's still a shoe that's out there and in your face, which I tend to like. Like, I don't think people would be wearing 120mm Louboutins unless they were a person that liked to make a statement. However, these make a statement for a completely different reason, not because of a towering heel height, but because of just in your face bling. These are totally crystallized and beautiful. I mean, I don't think they're everyone's cup of tea. You definitely have to be a girl that wants your feet to get noticed, or at least your shoes while going and wearing them, and these are no exception. Go ahead and take that out. And I am so happy with these. These are a 90mm, but with these, you're not even looking at the height of the shoe. You are just looking at this absolutely, perchance gaudy a type of crystal design that they have on these. I don't know what I'm going to wear them with, but I'm for sure going to wear them because I am not going to have these collecting dust in my closet. Oh no. Especially not a shoe that I know I can trust on my feet lately, because I don't want to have to wear something that is really hard on your feet and then further have to wait to heal to get back to wearing my beloved Socates and just any other typical shoe that I would wear. So here's the other one, and for those who might actually be interested in the Manolo Blahnik Lurums, I know a lot of people come to these videos for sizing, so for me, I went true to size. However, I have a very narrow foot, so for most people, I would say you're likely going to want to go up a half a size, but if you have a particularly wide foot, you may want to consider going up a whole size. But for the narrow-footed people out there like myself, I went true to size, and I didn't have to worry about anything hanging over the edge, because I noticed that a struggle with narrow feet can be having your feet longer than what the shoe is meant to accommodate, since most people are worried about accommodating the width of the foot. So that's something to keep in mind for my narrow-footed people, but my word of advice is if you can always try them on before you go ahead and get them. These I already knew my size. I had tried them on in the past because I'm that type of person that goes out and does shoe reconnaissance, because I never know, for sake of argument, when I'm going to find something on sale, and I like to know my size, so just in case I find something online, I can just order it and be done with it and not have to worry about it. So enough about those. I will go ahead and try those on later for you guys. But I finally broke down. It only took a little over a year and a cracked toe. But I finally got myself a flat. But if I was going to get a flat, it was going to be the best flat. And I couldn't get a sneaker because I already had sneakers. But I could not trust to squeeze my foot in there without further messing things up. So I went with a sandal that, if you guys have heard of this brand or just seen a bunch of the fashion YouTubers videos, you would know about this brand called Hermés, and then you would know about the sandal called the Oran sandal. I needed something where I could allow my foot to breathe. I could just easy on, easy off. Never thought I would see the day where I'd get flat, but I guess that day has come. It took a cracked toe. So here they are. Nothing crazy, nothing special. My mother saw these and she's like, "You couldn't get anything with some bling?" Even though she knew I had already gotten these. So, and yes, she does get a heads up before everyone else as to what I'm going to unbox. And I just said I wanted something plain, easy on, easy off. I don't have to worry about it. I can beat it up. I can wear it out and about. Say, for instance, I'm going and trying on heels. It's not a good idea to wear heels if you're going shoe shopping, because your feet can swell just standing there or walking around. And if you try on a shoe with a swollen foot, then you're more than likely going to size up more than you actually need. So I never advise anyone to go shopping in heels no matter what. But these, you could definitely go shoe shopping and not have a problem. Now, for those interested in these for the sizing and whatnot, I went true to size, and they fit like a dream because I tried them on in stores, so I know for sure these fit. And these, the way that the shoe is designed, there is very minimal difference between the half sizes. We're talking like maybe a couple millimeters at max. This is meant to fit exactly from the beginning of your toes to right at the edge of your heel. So I wouldn't go and worry too much about the sizing. If you can, always try it on. But you also have to keep in mind with the sizing for these is that these are regular leather. They are a calf. They are going to stretch on you. The more you wear them, they're going to have a little bit of give. They're going to widen up a little bit, and that can create issues with sliding. I haven't worn these out and about. These are brand spanking new, but I know enough about footwear to know that. So I would say, even for someone who might have a narrow to an average size foot, you might want to go true to size. If you have a larger foot, then you might want to go ahead and go anywhere from a half a size to a whole size up, depending on the width of your foot. But I would strongly either recommend, one, trying them on before you buy, or two, I would definitely determine just how either narrow or wide your foot is, and then going from there, doing further research. Don't just take my word on it if you're going to be going and spending $660 on shoes. So I will go ahead and try these on for you. I hope you guys either learn something or you just like to sit and watch me talk about shoes and try them on for you. So I will hopefully go ahead and see you guys, fingers crossed, in the next pair of heels. Bye!